Hi guys, this is Penguins again. This is Train Simulator 2, Wheel 2. And Gareth is bugged up the train, so we can't move the train because Gareth broke down on the train again. And he can't even freaking move. Not freaking move, not the other word. But like, he can't even freaking move it because it's broken down.
Terry, oh my god, it isn't.
You broke down the train, Gareth! And we use the right control that Gareth's got there in his hand for the PS5. But if you're using a PS4 game, you use the PS4 controller. The PS4, only PS4 game, like this one down there. But if you're using a PS5 game, you have to use the right controller that Gareth's got there in his hands. You still play PS4 games on the PS5, because they're compatible. But I only use the PS4 controllers for the PS4 game on the PS5, you see. The box in the corner there. You use that controller for the PS5 game. You use this, that game, for the great control there. But that won't work on the PS4 because that doesn't work. The PS4 is the PS4 controller white, but I'll be using for the PS5 we got here. So the PS4 controllers will work on the PS5 with the PS4 game in it. And then we've got Transformate PS5 game, so the PS5 controller that came with it.